Hey everyone, welcome back guys. Thank you so much for watching the first tutorial on how to use data entry form in Microsoft Excel, especially on bringing the data entry form on the Microsoft Excel workbook. And previously I showed you on how to bring the data entry form on the quick access toolbar. This time around we are going to bring the data entry form on the menu bar. Alright, we are going to do that, and we're going to create a tab here by the name data entry, and we are going to see that data entry form will appear under this. Alright, under this menu bar, under this toolbar. Alright, we're going to use the same procedure. We're going to click on file and then click on option down here, and instead of clicking quick access toolbar, we're going to click on customize ribbon, and the procedures are similar. We are going to select all commands by clicking under choose commands from, and we're going to click all commands, and we're going to look for a form by searching all the commands starting with F. There is the formula, but before we click add, we're going to make sure that we choose which tab we are going to put the command in, the form command in. Alright, so this time around we are not going to put in any tab, but we're going to create a new tab. So we are going to click on new tab, and then the new tab comes in. Alright, and it doesn't have really it doesn't have a name, it just have a new tab and the new group. So we are going to rename this new tab. We are going to name it data entry. Okay, and then we're going to click OK, and here it is, data entry, and inside the data entry there's a new group of which we are going to name it data entry form. Alright, so we are going to click on the new group and click rename, and we are going to say data entry form. Alright, and you can choose an icon that you want to present this. So let's just choose any that looks like data entry form. Let's choose this one, and then click OK, and then there it is. And then we're going to select the data entry form and then click add, and under the data entry form there is what we call the data entry form command. And when we click OK, you will discover that after data there is data entry there, and under data entry there is what we call data entry form. Alright, so here's the form, and this the same procedures apply. When you bring the form here, you're going to select the headers. Alright, and go home, format as a table. You click the table of your choice. This time around I'm going to choose black, not because I'm black, but you know, yeah. So my table has headers. Then I'm going to remove the filter for it to look better, and then once I do that, I'm not going to click the data entry form on the quick access toolbar, but I'm going to use the menu bar. Alright, the menu tab, click data entry and then click data entry form. Boom, the data entry form appears in this. Alright, this is how you bring the data entry form on a menu bar. Alright, and you can start entering in the data that you want to be in the form. Alright, for example, let me just enter one record. Okay, this time around this one ID number is actually N67. Alright, and then let me continue and then I click tab and it allow me to continue entering the data. Alright, right now I've finished entering the data, and as you have seen right here, column 1 has been added because I selected an extra column while I was selecting the header. So I'm gonna click new record right here, and then as you have noticed here, everything that I've entered here has been entered there. So that's how you bring the data entry form on a menu bar, on a toolbar. Alright, the question might be, can you add extra more tools to the data entry tab? Yes, you can do that. Alright, so that's it. That's how you can bring the data entry form on a toolbar or the menu bar or on the ribbon. Alright, this is how. So the question might be, is it possible to just bring the data entry form under the data toolbar or the data menu bar? Alright, yes, it is possible. In the next tutorial I am going to show you how to include the data entry form within the data toolbar or within the data menu bar. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I believe you're going to enjoy it. This is your boy Mustafa. Peace out.